All right, well, today is the day where we put in those two big, huge windows. So I'm looking forward to having some of my buddies come and help me put those in. Hopefully, it'll be an easy process. This is a momentous occasion. This is where you're really going to see kind of the whole vision come to life. So excited, yeah. Let's do this. Check it out, we have all the windows in now. Definitely the most amount of windows I've ever seen on such a small building. Thank you for everybody that joined us today. This was amazing. Loved having everybody here. So thank you to Luis, to Dan, and Christine, and to Rook, and to Bert. And I think that's everybody. No, wait, Pastor Joy. Thank you so much for helping us. This was a joy to have everybody here. I think we have the afternoon off. I'll ask the foreman. God bless.